Hi guys, my name is Professor Brandon, and today we're going to learn about AB Calculus. The problem that we're going to look at today is the 2014 AP Calculus AB/BC First Free Response. Let's grab our pens and dive right in. This is a calculator question, so the first thing to do is enter the function that you are given, which is a of t, and store it in your calculator. From here on out, I'm going to assume that you have it stored, and I'm not going to show me pressing buttons on the calculator, just the work. The first part of the question is to find the average rate of change of a of t over the interval 0 is less than or equal to 30, which is less than or equal to t, and then indicate the units of measure. The average rate of change is just the slope, so we are going to take 30 minus a of 0 over 30 minus 0. After you grab your calculator and punch it in, you should get that it is approximately negative 0.197. For the units, a of t is measured in pounds and t is measured in days, so the units are pounds per day, and that is the answer to part A. Part B asks us to find the value of a prime of 15. Then, using the correct units, interpret the meaning of the value in the context of the problem. This is super easy to do on your calculator. Just type it in. I got a prime of 15 is approximately negative 0.164 pounds per day. In order to interpret this, I'm going to say that the amount of grass clippings in the bin is decreasing because the rate of change is negative at a rate of 0.164 pounds per day at a time t equals 15 days. Sweet! Is everyone still with us? Let's move onward and upward to part C. Part C asks us to find the time t for which the amount of grass clippings in the bin is equal to the average amount of grass clippings in the bin over the interval 0 is less than or equal to t, which is less than or equal to 30. To find that, we are going to use the integral of a of t divided by the interval, which is just the integral of 0 to 30 of a of t divided by 30. Because this is a calculator problem, you should be able to punch it into the numerical solver and get a value of t equals 12.415. The final part of this problem is really easy. It asks you to, for t is less than 30, L of t, the linear approximation to a at t equals 30, also known as the tangent line, is a better model for the amount of grass clippings remaining in the bin. Then, use L of t to predict the time at which there will be 0.5 pounds of grass clippings remaining in the bin. The first step in solving this problem is to find L of t. L of t equals a of 30 plus a prime of 30 times t minus 30. Because this is a calculator problem, you do not need to write out numerical values for the equation, just what L of t equals. But just in case you're curious, I have included them. I got L of t equals 0.5. Now we want to use L of t to predict the time at which there will be 0.5 pounds of grass clippings remaining. To do this, you should solve L of t equals 0.5. You can do this either by using the numerical solver on your calculator or by graphing it. I got that t equals 35.054. Congratulations, you just survived the first free response question on the 2014 AP Calc exam. Good luck on the rest of it.